Assalamualaikum. Everybody knows how to find cube. 3 cube 27, or it is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now what is cube root? Cube root of 27 is 3. We have to find cube root of 27. Its answer is 3. And cube of 3 is 27. It also works opposite to each other, and its sign is like this: small 3 here and radical sign, and write like this. This sign is called radical, and inside radical it is called radicand or base. Cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 4 cube is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. The answer is 64. When we convert cube into this side, it becomes cube root of 64. Its answer is 4. It is a very important thing to note that when we convert cube into other side, it becomes cube root. Now let's move into another example. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Okay, we also can write in many types. It also can written in many other things, like 2 की power 6. We can write 64 as 2 की power 6. 64 equal to 2 raised to power 6, or 64 also written as 4 raised to power cube, and we have to write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 and 4 raised to power 1. We can write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 or 4 raised to power 1. In cube, root base same and divide exponent by 3. Always reminded. Here 6 divided by 3 it becomes 2, and 3 divided by 3 it becomes 1. In cube root, it's very important note, in cube root base same divide exponent by 3. If we take 4 raised to power 9 in cube root, its answer is 2,62,144. It's the answer of cube root. Its base is 4 and exponent is 9. And 9, we divide 9 by 3. Because exponent divided by 3, it becomes 4 raised to power cube. And if we take 7 raised to power 6, its cube root is 6 divided by 3. It becomes 7 square. Because exponent divided by 3 in cube root. It's very important thing to note, and it's very important thing that we knew it. In cube root, exponent divided by 3.